The secret to making big money with binary options is not trading volatile environments. This is something that no other binary options trader would ever have thought of. The real secret is trading the price channels in a sideways market. I want you to understand what a sideways market is, so watch closely. First, this is what a volatile market looks like. The blue dot represents price movement. In a volatile market, price moves wildly. It jumps all over the place. It's nearly impossible to predict where it's going next. So, placing a call or put trade in this environment is suicide. That's why most people lose money with binary options. That's just gambling your money away. Now, here is what sideways, non-volatile markets look like. As you can see, price, represented by the blue dot, moves in a very clear, predefined sideways channel. It's very easy to predict where price is going next because it's now within a price channel. And when you get situations like this, when it's easy to predict where price is going next, it's the biggest cash cow of them all. I want to really dig into this concept so you understand just how powerful it is. This is a phenomenon that occurs several times a day on just about every currency pair there is. Steady, reliable, predictable price channels. Trading this kind of thing is certain death on any other market, but for binary options, well, just watch. Think about this in terms of me bouncing the ball. Here, when the price touches the upper limit of the channel, it goes down, so the software places a put trade. When price touches the lower limit of the channel, it then goes up, so the software places a call trade. Exactly like bouncing a basketball. It's the simplest thing in the world. Call and put, call and put, call and put, call and put, all the way until the price channel ends. And yes, the software knows to predict very accurately when that price channel is about to end, so it stops placing trades. This is what Channel Ranger does 5 days per week on 10 different currency pairs. Can you imagine the amount of money you could be making with this kind of repetitive action? Maybe you're thinking that, well, if this is so easy, and I've just told you what to do to conquer binary options, why can't you just do this yourself and make $1 million? Well, do you really think you'd be quick enough on the trigger to place those trades right on the bounce point? And as I explained, it's very hard to find these price channels. And when you do so with the help of the human eye. And that means you're too late. But even if you were able to spot the channels in time, do you honestly think you could effectively monitor 10 charts around the clock from Monday through to Friday? I mean, these channels occur multiple times each day across all currency pairs, but the majority of the day is just a mess of volatility, static, and nothingness. These channels come up just the way a breakout trend does, but they'll only last for a couple of minutes to a couple of hours. So when they're really short, the software places 60-second binary option trades. When they're longer, it can place trades lasting up to 60 minutes. Whatever the situation, you've got to be able to spot them and jump on them. Okay, so if it's that difficult to do, how did we get our software to be so profitable? Well, it's so simple that most people will wonder why they didn't think of it themselves. Remember at the beginning of the presentation when I told you we worked very hard to analyze a huge number of historical charts, price patterns, price trends, etc.? Well, we took the application developed to do that, which now has roughly 15 years worth of data to draw from, and reconfigured it to isolate price channels instead of breakouts and other price patterns. So it monitors the market until it finds the channel, then it measures the bandwidth of that channel, and then, well, it just bounces away. The software bombards the channel with calls and puts until the channel breaks. That's why we called it Channel Ranger. The result of this is a staggering 82% win rate, and it's worth around $20 per bounce, assuming small startup capital. With 80 to 200 bounces, well, trades, on an average day, you're looking at a very nice daily income of $1,600 to $4,000. Here's a quick rundown of what our Channel Ranger software does. It's the only software that trades binary option price ranges. Its accuracy rate is over 82%, so 8 trades out of 10 are profitable. It trades short-term binary options, the most profitable time frames for trading price ranges. It trades 10 currency pairs, the most profitable ones. It spots between 80 and 200 trades per day. You can easily make up to $4,000 per day, even with a tiny account, and the sky's the limit if you start bigger. It's totally automatic. Everything's done for you, from the price channel scanning, to the recognition, to the placing of trades.